Welcome to a journey into the future of the Internet. In this video, we're exploring Web3, the next evolution of the Internet that's set to revolutionize the digital world. If you're curious about the potential of this enigmatic concept, stay tuned. In the ever-evolving landscape of the Internet, a paradigm shift is brewing. This shift is Web3, the next iteration of the Internet, poised to revolutionize the digital realm. Web3 is not just a buzzword. It represents a transformation driven by blockchain technology, placing control back into the hands of its users. If you're curious about this enigmatic concept, let's delve into the intricacies of Web3, its roots, and its potential impact. Understanding Web 1 and Web 2. Before we embark on our journey into Web3, it's essential to grasp the foundations laid by Web 1 and Web 2. Web 1, the nascent version of the Internet that emerged in the 1990s, was characterized by open protocols, enabling anyone to share information freely. It primarily served as a platform for reading web pages and basic communication. Web 2 ushered in a new era in the mid-2000s, introducing social media giants like Facebook and Twitter. While these platforms empowered users to create content, they also monetized user data and activity. This centralized control was the hallmark of Web 2, a model that Web 3 seeks to redefine. The pillars of Web 3. Web 3 is underpinned by three groundbreaking technologies. Blockchain. A blockchain is a decentralized ledger that records transactions across a network, eliminating the need for a single point of control or failure. It ensures transparency and trust in an environment where users collectively manage data. Smart contracts. Smart contracts are self-executing programs governed by predefined conditions. Encoded on blockchains, they offer security and autonomy, reducing the need for intermediaries. Digital assets and tokens. Digital assets, including cryptocurrencies, stablecoins, and NFTs, have emerged as integral components of Web3. These digital-only items hold tremendous value and can represent tangible assets. Bridging the gap. Web 2 versus Web 3. Web 2 relies on centralized control by tech corporations, requiring trust between parties and often intermediaries. In contrast, Web 3 operates on trustless systems, where transactions proceed only when predefined criteria are met and data is verified. Imagine a Web 3-based ticket exchange, where every ticket is traceable, immutable, and authenticated, mitigating the risk of scams. The crypto conundrum. Although cryptocurrencies faced challenges in 2022, the Web3 ecosystem remained resilient. Notable statistics highlight the continued growth. NFT sales surged by 68%, underscoring the demand for digital asset ownership. Ethereum's core tool downloads spiked by 87%, emphasizing the blockchain's significance. On-chain stablecoin payments grew by more than 50%, reflecting the potential of stable digital currencies. Web3 gaming witnessed a 60% rise in active users. The global tokenization market expanded by approximately 23%, reshaping financial services and capital markets. Real-world applications of Web3. Web3 is not just theoretical, it's making strides in the real world. Here are four noteworthy examples. JP Morgan Chase's cross-border transaction. In 2022, JP Morgan Chase executed its first cross-border blockchain transaction, highlighting the practicality of Web3 for financial institutions. Tokenized funds on Avalanche blockchain. Securitize and KKR partnered to issue a tokenized fund on the Avalanche blockchain, making private equity more accessible to individual investors. NFT giveaway by 100 Thieves. The esports and lifestyle brand 100 Thieves engaged its fans by offering NFTs, showcasing how Web3 can enhance user engagement. Nike's Swoosh Web3 platform. After acquiring the Web3 studio RTFKT, Nike ventured into the Web3 space with its Swoosh platform, introducing blockchain-based NFTs and virtual apparel designs. Web3 versus the metaverse. While Web3 and the metaverse share common ground in transforming the Internet, they differ in focus. Web3 revolves around decentralized systems, whereas the metaverse redefines the paradigm of computing and networking. They might ultimately reshape the Internet, but this transformation is still in its infancy. Navigating Web3's challenges. As Web3 gains momentum, it encounters various challenges. Evolving regulation. Authorities are working on governing issues related to consumer protection, enforceability of blockchain-based contracts, and compliance with anti-money laundering standards. Value proposition and user experience. Web3 products have room for improvement in user experience compared to Web 2. Clarifying the utility of Web3, especially NFTs, is essential for consumer adoption. Consumer protection. Failures in early Web3 projects have emphasized the need for enhanced consumer and investor protection. Web3 is not a panacea for all the challenges that plagued Web 2. Instead, it presents a unique set of opportunities and obstacles that will shape the Internet's future. The journey towards a decentralized, user-controlled Internet is underway, and Web3 is at the forefront of this revolution. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of Web3. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on the latest tech trends and innovations.